This is all private. Unless you get to the scale and level of Canva. You guys familiar with Canva? One of the most highly valued private companies. It should be a listed company, but the founders don't want to list. The founders seem to have this philanthropic attitude where, I mean, if any founder, the ultimate exit for your startup is an IPO. Basically can cash out because all your shares become liquid. Canva seems to be delaying it. I don't know if they're waiting for the right timing. They want to time their IPO when the markets are very favorable, or they just enjoy being a private company with less compliance, less demand, provide quarterly target. Canva has been around for I think 15 years. The early investors are typically VCs. A VC fund has a life of around 10 years. The VC fund has a general manager who manages the fund, but the money is coming from limited partners, institutions, family offices, high net worths, insurance companies. That fund has a 10-year life. At the end of the 10 years, the VC has to shut down the fund and liquidate the investments and give the money back to their limited partners, back to those investors. Canva has been around for 15 years. The early VCs, the early investors are asking to convert their shares into cash. Typically, that should be done via an IPO. The founders are holding off, or the management is holding off on an IPO. So what they're doing instead, which is not very common for startups, they're doing secondaries, which means they're going out to the market and saying, who wants to buy Canva shares? You can take some of these guys' shares.